Hi, Merry Christmas. Hi, Boo-Boo. I know you didn't sleep well, but Sissy can't wait anymore.
Matthew, here. Open this.
You can zoom it if you want.
What?
Wow, what are all those, Wolfie?
Wolfie, here.
Yeah, it's a big boy's bike.
Look.
Uh-huh.
Look that.
Yeah.
Wolfie, look. Open it.
Sissy, grab one and open one too.
Those are the ones that I used to have. You got them for my birthday, I think? I don't remember when. You got them for my birthday or what?
Yeah, that's the alphabet. You can play in the bathtub with those.
I love them.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Yeah, you can make little bracelets with those.
That's for Sissy.
I know.
Uh-oh, Wolfie's opening yours.
No.
It's okay.
Alright, you can open mine. Plus, I have 4 cute for I can 6. Yay.
Yay, let me see, Sissy. Yep, a little dream light. Unicorn.
Yeah, I told her that I wanted one of these.
Really? You're welcome, Sissy.
And I even know how to use it.
Yeah.
I don't need any of this things. Like Amber, I thought it was yellow.
Wolfie's opening all of them.
This is amber, not yellow.
Ooh.
That mine too?
Yeah.
He keeps going mine.
I
There,
know.
That's yours. That's all of his. What is this?
Yeah, you can decorate those and put your name on them. And then you can put them on the wall or in your bedroom somewhere.
Well, I think the stickers are too big, because look.
Wow, look at
They'll
you.
fit, don't worry. Let me see, Wolfie. Show Mommy.
Wow.
Wolfie, love that.
Do you like it?
That.
Oh, okay.
Ow. Whoa. Cool.
I have another one for Wolfie. I think that's it.
Sweatshirt.
That's so cute, the butterfly.
Oh, found it. Little cool jacket.
Soft too. I love how soft it is.
Hey.
It's Sissy.
That's mine.
Yeah, this is yours.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Not yet.
He knows he needs the hat.
Oh, good boy.
Mommy.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, this has no more battery.
For real? I thought you charged it.
Yeah, but not all the way.
Oh, sorry.
Wolfie, get on it. Get on it.
He don't know how to do it yet.
Hey.
Wolfie, get on. There you go.
Okay.
That's a big boy's bike. You gotta hold on good. You need some shoes.
Papa.
Yeah.
He can't reach it?
There you go.
Barely. That's the smallest one I could find.
Well, be careful with the book.
Cynthia, you forgot some over there.
Huh?
The one your teacher got you?
Yeah. Forgot about that one. I think it's a card instead.
I think there's more in there, girl.
There is. Why?
There you go.
What's this? Oh, I remember this. This is a joke book. Miss Tibbs has this.
Uh-huh.
She has 21 of them, and she gave me to us. And these two. Like,
Yeah, break. You put the brake on.
there's more in the stocking.
Break.
Mom, is there more in the stocking?
Yep.
I was thinking that.
Fall. I know.
I gotta fall.
You're gonna fall.
Come on, Wolfie.
That's okay.
You done? Come and look in the stocking.
Yeah, I remember these. Oh no. The elephant Gerald and Piggy said.
Yeah, that one's yours.
I feel something in this one.
Yeah. Well, the books can be for like both of you guys.
Alright.
That way he can read
What's this,
too.
Wolfie? This is for
That one was actually for Daddy.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
The Dark Knight Rises. That's Daddy. That's Daddy.
You can pull the stockings down if it makes it easier. It's just tape.
I know. I remember we taped it.
Oh, hold on. You need help. Take it out.
Oh yeah, that's mine too. Cat. I did.
Kitty cat. Yeah. Show Mama. Yep.
This part's hard.
Wow.
Another jacket.
Oh, wow. That's nice. I like that color. Whoopi, look at that one for you. Look at the clothes. Hold it up for Mama. Oh, yeah, that's nice.
I think,
It's like a... It's not a thin one and not a real thick one. It's in between. That's a nice dress one. Look at the buttons.
yeah.
Whoopi, let me see yours.
I know how to do this.
No?
I know how to do these.
Let me see. Wow. Sissy, say hi. Where are you?
I'll get this. You're welcome.
Oh, they're outside too?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
This.
No. Yeah, I know.
Can I throw this snow?
Curtis, Ella here got the lead in the play because the class president had a crush on her. No. No. I got the lead role because I was the better actress. Oh, Ella.